Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Gonzales, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether commercial, domestic, local, long distance, or even international shifting, it is always a wholesome project. Packing and unpacking may take several days or even weeks. Also, it may require a lot of heavy-duty equipment for carrying the stuff around. By hiring 3 movers, you're hiring a professional team that can pack, move, and reallocate your belongings in the most efficient way possible. Professionals like 3 movers will notify prices beforehand to make an informed decision. 3 movers also takes responsibility for the damage that may occur during the transit. Rather than wasting your weekend packing your home and relocating your belongings, use it to get started with your dream house. All you have to do is hire a professional to lighten up your shoulders. Usually, while shifting locally or nearby places, we prefer doing it independently. However, this is the worst decision one can make ever, as handling delicate things without prior experience may lead to a wear and tear accident. Therefore, it's recommended to hire 3 movers, as they provide insurance on your belongings and make sure your shift is done on the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gonzales moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.